Can a pair of good-sounding earbuds with good noise cancellation and extra features such as a heart rate monitor cost just $150? Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's unbox the Soundcore Liberty 4 earbuds. Check out its many features, and perhaps the most important, I'll share my thoughts on how they sound. The earbuds come in a fancy hard box printed with a lot of information. It opens up nicely just like a book. There are the earbuds, a case that looks smaller than previous Liberty earbuds. Good. And there are 3 pairs of extra ear tips, small, large, and a second pair of medium ear tips that are supposedly deeper than the medium ones that come attached to the earbuds. A note on the Soundcore app and the new wellness feature we will look into later in the video. There's a tray on the side that pulls out with an USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and a safety booklet. Let's check out the new case first. I like how it's smaller than previous earbud cases, easier to carry around and put into a pocket. It's in a square shape about 2¼ by 2¼ inches and a bit over 1 inch thick. It's now closer to the size of the AirPods Pro case, but still a little bit bigger. It's dark black with a matte finish on the outside. I like how it doesn't attract fingerprints. There is a glossy Soundcore logo in the center, and the glossy interior shows through as a little decorative ring around the corner of the cover. I like how the cover slides open and close. Very smooth and satisfying. The edge is a bit sharp though, so be careful. On the inside, there are 2 slots for the earbuds with a couple of charging points on the stamps. There's also a pairing button in the center for Bluetooth connection. The earbuds go in easily and are held in place by magnets. Let's see if they fall out easily. No, good. I also like these lights that glow when the earbuds are in. There's also a sleek indicator light by the bottom of the cover. The battery on the earbuds lasts about 9 hours on a single charge. Drop to 7 hours with noise cancellation on and 5 hours with spatial audio. The case can charge the earbuds 3 times. There's an USB-C port in the back for charging, and it could also be charged wirelessly, which is great. Liberty 4 earbuds have the typical stem earbud design. They're in glossy black. A faint golden Soundcore logo and text are printed on the stem. There is a thin, long button on the side for squeeze control, and a couple of charging points on the back. The ear tips are dual layers and very comfortable to wear. I can wear these all day without feeling pressured. The medium one size tips are the most fitting ones for my ears. Taking the ear tip off, the tip of the earbud is quite elaborate with dual drivers inside, mics, and a heart rate sensor, which we will talk about later. Before that, perhaps the most important is how these earbuds sound. Most of the settings are done on the Soundcore app. Once installed and logged in, adding the Liberty 4 is very straightforward. The app shows the battery levels of the earbuds and the charging case. Then selections for noise cancellation, normal, or transparency modes. The noise cancellation is quite effective on these. There are even manual choices for different strength between strong, moderate, and weak. And if the noise reduction is not obvious, it can be optimized with an ear canal test and fit test. By the way, coming from AirPods, it's just amazing how much all the settings can be customized to my liking on the Liberty 4. The transparency mode is just okay on these. I say this is the weakest link on these earbuds. It does work by piping in the ambient sound, but it's a bit artificial with a soft high-pitched hiss in the background. There's a voice transparency mode that blocks out lower frequencies so I could hear someone speaking to me even better. In addition to noise cancellation and transparency modes, here are how the Liberty 4 sound can be further customized. There is spatial audio support similar to AirPods, which make the sound more surround and 3D. There are options for fixed and head tracking, music, and movie modes. There's hearID sound, which takes me to a hearing test, asking me how well I could hear various frequencies. And which sound profile I prefer. Then setting the equalizers to best fit how my ears hear. Like I said, impressive how much these earbuds can be customized. And there are more. These are default EQ settings to choose from. I'm usually skeptical about how much differences I could hear between these various EQ settings. Glad to report that many of these settings sound different to me. And if none of the settings work, the EQs can be fully customized and multiple copies saved for recall later. After trying all the settings with various music genres, I end up liking either the Soundcore signature or the acoustic EQ with the noise cancellation on for most of the songs I listen to. And these earbuds sound great. The bass is solid and strong, but does not drown out the mids and highs. In fact, the mids and highs are very clear. Separation is good. Soundstage is decent. Overall, the music sounds full and immersive to me with these earbuds. And that's without spatial audio turn-on or LDAC on the iPhone. Here's how the mics on the earbuds sound. I've been using them on conference calls and folks were able to hear me alright even when I'm in a noisy environment. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's cover a few more customization options before the special feature. The controls on each earbud can be customized separately. There's single, double, triple squeezes that can be customized to control play pause, volume, Siri, and ambient sound modes. Under more settings, in-ear detection, dual connections, prompt tone in the earbuds, and auto power off can all be customized. Alright, last but not least, there's an unusual feature on these earbuds. A wellness function with a heart rate monitor. It could track activities and exercise, show the heart rate, and even detect stress levels. I checked the heart rate monitor against the one on my Apple Watch Ultra, which is quite accurate, and they match up very well. Of course, you need to be wearing the earbuds for them to be tracked. Oh, and here's one more feature. A neck posture reminder for someone who works at a desk all day like me. When I keep my head down for more than 5 minutes, the earbuds will play a tone to remind me to stretch out my neck. How cool is that? At just $149 US, the Liberty 4 is much more affordable than all the premium true wireless earbuds with noise cancellation. I'll put a link in the description which may start to have discounts from time to time. Aside from the transparency mode, which I think can be better, the Liberty 4 earbuds have great sound with tons of customization, good noise cancellation, and unique extra features like the heart rate monitor and posture reminder. I'm impressed. I think these earbuds are hard to beat at this price and even worth considering against the premium earbuds. If you have them or are considering them, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family. Check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.